Hello, my beautiful bird. Can you come down so Boo can say hello? And you can come and say hello. Say hello, hello. Hi, my beautiful bird. Hi, Remy. Will you come down? Yes. And you can get some nanam, my pretty bird. Hi, sweetness. Hello. Hello, hello. Hi, precious. You want to come down? But we're just trying to get a video, Angel. It's okay. You don't have to be scared. Hello. Oh, well, look who we got. Hello. Okay. Thanks, Remy. Now I know why. That's what you're saying hello to. Hello, precious. Hi. Hey, my girl. Is that my Trixie? What's up, my girlfriend? What's up, my girlfriend? Hi, Mama. I see you. I'm coming. Okay, precious.